Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'll be showing you my squishies from my squishies collection. So my first one is a watermelon. It smells like a watermelon. It's really squishy. And then my next one is like a popcorn one. And this one smells like strawberry kind of. It's also squishy. And then my next one is a unicorn one. I think this one smells like strawberries too, but it's not that squishy because it goes up really fast. And then my next one is this one. It's a strawberry cake, I think, and it also smells like strawberries. And then I have this one, which smells kind of like watermelon kind of smell. It looks like Harry Potter because I don't know, the glasses. And then my last one I'm gonna be showing you is this one, my favorite one. It's like a cake with a little dolphin in it. And then these are all my squishies that I showed you. Actually, this one smells like watermelon instead of strawberry. Yeah, but these are all my squishies. Yeah, that's my squishy collection. So thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and like down below. And yeah, bye.